Giant pandas are one of the most beloved animals in the world, known for their adorable round faces, fluffy bodies, and distinctive black and white fur. These gentle giants live in the bamboo forests of China, where they spend most of their time eating and resting. Despite their large size and impressive appearance, pandas are known for their peaceful nature. They are solitary creatures, preferring to spend time alone rather than in groups, except during mating season. Pandas are famous for their diet, which consists almost entirely of bamboo. In fact, bamboo makes up around 99% of their diet. These giant bears can consume up to 40 pounds, 18 kilograms of bamboo every day. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth that help them crush the tough bamboo stalks. Although they are classified as carnivores, their digestive system is more like that of a herbivore, which is why they need to eat so much bamboo to get enough nutrients. Pandas are also excellent climbers, despite their bulky size. They can scale trees and navigate rocky terrain with ease. In the wild, they use trees to escape from predators, find food, or simply relax. Pandas are often seen lounging in trees, chewing on bamboo, or simply enjoying the view from above. The bamboo forests of China are the perfect home for pandas. The dense bamboo provides them with plenty of food and shelter, while the cool, misty climate allows them to stay comfortable year-round. However, these forests are becoming smaller due to deforestation and human activities. As a result, giant pandas are considered a vulnerable species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitat and ensure their survival. Pandas are also famous for their playful behavior. While they may seem calm and reserved, they enjoy playing with each other, especially when they are young. Panda cubs are especially curious and will often explore their surroundings by rolling, tumbling, and playing with anything they can find. As they grow older, they become more independent, but they still maintain their playful nature throughout their lives. Despite their gentle nature, pandas are an important symbol of wildlife conservation. Organizations around the world are working to protect these amazing creatures and their habitats, so future generations can continue to enjoy the sight of pandas in the wild.